Hi, Dave. This is John Thompson, and just wanted to give you a little bit of information about my project since none of the audio came through when I uploaded the pictures. The carrots were made on a 3D printer. The Oreo cookies, I brought one in from an image, and then I had traced it, and then I had to go and redraw everything because the vectors were really bad. And then I 3D printed the Oreo center for the cookies, the chocolate chip cookies, and the Oreo cookie top and bottom were made on the Gatton CNC. Everything that's 3D printed was made on my Ender 3. The letter, I had my great nephew handwrite what I had written down, and then I painted a piece of wood and then burn it with a laser with his handwriting. And then the tray, I did imported a scene and burnt that on the oak tray for everything. The straw was made from a dowel that I had sanded down and hand painted, and everything else was hand painted. The Coke bottle, because it was like a silver color, as you see in the first videos when it was printing. It was supposed to be translucent, and then I hand painted everything to make it look like the old-fashioned bottle. The milk glass, the milk section of it, the white section, was two parts cut on the CNC and glued together, and the top of the glass and the bottom of the glass was plexiglass that I cut on the laser and then glued on to make it look like the top and bottom of the glass. I think that pretty much covers everything. The carrots were painted by hand. And if you need any additional information, you can contact me at my email. Thank you.